Whoa, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh.
Hey, how y'all doing today? Welcome back to another Sunday dinner with Miss Vicky B. Today I'm just gonna make a dessert recipe for y'all. Everybody's looking for a good dessert recipe around the holidays, and I've got one for you. I had sent this recipe to my friend April. She made it and it was really good, so now I'm gonna make it. I was supposed to make it with our Thanksgiving dinner, but I just ran out of time, so I'm gonna make it for you now. And I'm gonna show you the ingredients. I wrote it all down today, and it's pretty simple recipe and also not too many ingredients. So it's affordable and also it's really good. So I hope y'all enjoy this. The first thing I went ahead and did was preheated my oven to 350. And I've got everything out that I might need to use for this. I'm pretty sure I didn't leave anything out. This is the recipe. It's called Red Velvet Oreo Truffle Brownies. And I'm gonna show you the ingredients and then I'll walk you through how to make it. Okay, it calls for a box of red velvet cake mix. It says 1 cup of butter, so I've got my 2 sticks of butter out. It didn't specify salted or unsalted, and I always have salted, so that's what I'm using. 1 bag of milk chocolate chips, 1 bag of mini semi-sweet chocolate chips, some heavy whipping cream. I had to pull out, where's the other one? I had to pull out 2 eggs for this, and I'm missing 1 ingredient, so give me just a minute. It calls for 1 pack of Oreos. Candace had a big box of these sleeves of Oreos, so I just told her to bring over 3 sleeves, and I think that's about enough. Also, I went ahead and got out a bowl. This is my 9x13 baking dish, a whisk, a spoon just in case I need it. I think I'll need a spatula, so I got that out. It called for aluminum foil, but we both know that it's gonna tear if I try to cut into something with aluminum foil. So I'm just gonna use parchment paper. And I looked online and it said if you spray a little bit of cooking spray into the dish before you put the parchment paper in there, it will help it stick to the bottom. So we're gonna try that out. And I think all I needed was a 1 cup measuring cup for this recipe. So let's get started.
Oh, la da da da, making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Yeah, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you. Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again, to see you again. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh yeah, I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories.
Okay, so I was a little wrong. I did need my mixer. Also, we needed 3 of these bowls. 1 for the cake mix, 1 for the chocolate ganache, and 1 for the Oreos and butter. So it messes up a little more dishes than I would have wanted, but also simple ingredients, easy to make, and it's going to be good.
Jingle bells ringing in my ear. Jingle bell, a sound that's oh so dear. Frosty the snowman is all around town. Watch out for reindeers are falling down. We stay up waiting for Santa tonight. He climbs down the chimney at the speed of light, while we're dancing around the Christmas tree, hugging and kissing just you and me. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Oh, a Merry Christmas Day. We're chasing snowflakes as they're falling down, and follow Rudolph all across the town. Later we meet under the mistletoe, while Santa's busy saying ho ho ho. We're feeling jolly, eating Christmas cake, and then we go skating on the frozen lake, saying hi to every friendly face, and later we warm up by the fireplace. Carolers are singing outside our door, lovely songs we all heard before, as they walk from house to house to wish us all a Merry Christmas Day. Merry Christmas Day.
go outside. The snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me, with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gone.
Okay, this is what it looks like before I pop it in the refrigerator. It says to put it in the refrigerator for 30 to 45 minutes to let the ganache set before I cut it. So I'm fixing to put it in the fridge and set my timer for 45 minutes, and then we'll come back to it and see what it's looking like. To me, that was a lot of sweet and a lot of chocolate. That was a lot of the Oreo mixture and a lot of the chocolate chips on top, and it just seemed like an awful lot to me, but that is what the recipe called for. So I think you got to have a great big sweet tooth to eat a piece of this, but it is good. It is really good.
Go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire, 'cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you.
Okay, y'all, I just cut into this. The bottom part of it is still warm, even though it's been in the refrigerator for probably an hour. This stuff is so chocolatey. I put this much on my plate, but I don't even know if I'll be able to eat that. But I do know it's good. That's a lot of chocolate chips. All right, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Let me know if you try this dessert, and I'll see you on the next one.
I don't need any presents as long as I spend